Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 3 EVS. I'm your teacher Vani. Here are your friends.
I am Goopy. I am Abby.
Dear students, today I'm going to teach you Chapter 5, Find and Reach. Hello everyone. Look at the picture and imagine yourself on MG Road, and after passing the mall on your left, you continue on Shaheed Road. Can anyone tell me in which direction you would find the hospital?
Yes, right.
Fantastic! Let's begin by understanding directions. Directions are like a map that helps us navigate and find places. Next, we are going to combine yoga with directions. It's a fun way to learn and stay active.
Raise your right arm straight up. Breathe out slowly and lower your arm.
Now, let's repeat the same with your left arm. Perform this exercise 3 times with each hand, alternately. Feeling refreshed and ready to learn more? Alright, let's explore the 4 primary directions known as cardinal directions: north, south, east and west. If you face the sun, what direction is that?
Front.
No, it's east. The sun rises in the east. Now, what about the direction behind you?
Back.
Not quite. It's to the west. The west is the opposite of the east. To your left is north and to your right is south.
Here's a handy way to remember cardinal directions. Use the word news. N for north, E for east, W for west and S for south. कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस यानी कि मुख्य दिशाएं हैं: उत्तर, दक्षिण, पूर्व और पश्चिम। सूर्य जिस दिशा से उगता है वह दिशा पूर्व होती है। उसके सामने की दिशा पश्चिम, उत्तर बाएं और दक्षिण दाएं ओर होती है। एक यादगार तरीका है जिससे हम कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस याद रख सकते हैं। न्यूज़, N उत्तर के लिए, E पूर्व के लिए, W पश्चिम के लिए और S दक्षिण के लिए।
Now let's talk about how to read maps and sketches. A sketch is a simple drawing of a small area like your neighborhood. It doesn't have exact measurements but shows that important places like landmarks, post offices, hospitals and schools can all be landmarks to guide us. For example, if you are giving directions to a friend, you might draw a quick sketch showing them the location of your house in relation to the park or the school. Sketches are a handy way to convey information visually, especially when you don't have a map available. Imagine you want to find your way in a big city or even in your own neighborhood. That's where maps come in handy. A map is a drawing of a part of the earth. It can be a small place like your town or a bigger place like a whole country. Maps help people travel to new places within their neighborhood, city or another city. It gives them information about the location of different places that they wish to see. And to understand maps better, we use symbols. Symbols are like signs and they represent landmarks. The explanation of these symbols is called a key. Different symbols are used to highlight different things on a map. We can show mountains, forests, rivers, fire stations, hospitals, parks, etc. on a map by using symbols.
मैप्स और स्केचेस लोकेशन पढ़ने का तरीका सिखाने में मदद करता है। स्केच एक छोटी ड्राइंग होती है जो किसी छोटे एरिया जैसे कि हमारे नेबरहुड को बताता है। मैप्स बड़े शहरों में रास्ते ढूंढने में और किसी न्यू प्लेस तक पहुंचने में मदद करते हैं। सिंबल्स जैसे कि पहाड़, नदियां, हॉस्पिटल, पार्क्स सभी को दर्शाता है।
A plan is like a detailed drawing of a house, building, or room. It helps us understand how things are arranged in a smaller space. For example, if you want to rearrange your bedroom, you might create a plan to decide where your bed, desk, and wardrobe should go.
प्लान एक घर, इमारत या कमरे को विस्तार से दिखाता है। ये हमें समझाने में मदद करता है कि छोटी जगह में वस्तु कैसे बड़ी दिखती है।
When you are in a big city and you want to find a specific place like a park or a museum, you can use a road map. A road map shows all the roads in the city. You can get these maps at bookshops, railway stations, bank, mall, police station, and bus stands. It has clearly marked names of roads and it may also have arrows to show the path that leads to some important places.
Sometimes when people explore places like the sea, desert, mountains or forests, they use a compass to know which way to go. The needle of a compass always points to the north. By finding north, they can figure out other directions like south, east and west, helping them find their path easily. बड़े शहरों में किसी जगह को ढूंढने के लिए रोड मैप का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। इसमें सड़कों के नाम होते हैं। लोग कंपास का उपयोग समुद्र, रेगिस्तान, पहाड़ या वन को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए करते हैं, जो उन्हें सही रास्ता दिखाता है।
In many colonies, you will find a colony map displayed at the entrance. It's like a picture of the whole area showing where important places like parks and schools are. This map helps people find their way around the neighborhood easily. Nowadays, there is a super helpful app called Google Maps that you can use on your phone. It's like having a smart guide with you all the time. This app not only tells you which way to go, but also lets you know how long it will take to get there. It's really handy for finding your way, whether you're walking, driving, or taking public transport.
Lastly, we have something called an atlas. An atlas is like a big book full of maps. It has maps of continents, countries, states, cities, towns, and more. Students use atlases to learn interesting facts about different places like famous landmarks, capital cities, and interesting geographical features. It's like going on a fun adventure without ever leaving your seat. कॉलोनी मैप नेबरहुड का एक मैप होता है। गूगल मैप्स एक बहुत उपयोगी ऐप है जो आपको रास्ता बताता है। एटलस एक बुक है जिसमें मैप्स होते हैं और स्टूडेंट्स इसका इस्तेमाल करके अलग-अलग जगहों के बारे में सीखते हैं।
We learned today the 4 main directions are north, south, east, and west. We can remember them using the word news. N north, E east, W west, S south. Maps help us find our way to new places. Landmarks like post offices and hospitals are important places we can use on maps. There are sketches for small areas and maps for bigger places. Maps use symbols to show landmarks, and we use a key to understand the symbols. Road maps show all the roads in a city and help us find our way. A compass is a device that always points to the north. In colonies, we have colony maps to find places. We can use mobile apps like Google Maps for navigation and directions. An atlas is a big book with maps of different places in the world. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.